Good news for boxers! The Association of Boxing Alliances in the Philippines, or ABAP, and PLDT Multipurpose Cooperative Telescoop officially signed their partnership contract on Tuesday, March 24. This partnership particularly aims to support the finances and even holistic development of young boxers, strengthening grassroots of boxing in the country.
Yung agreement is they will be providing financial assistance to our youth boxers, yung mga up-and-coming boxers. And ang magbe-benefit ay hindi lang yung sports performance nila, but even their education, even psychosocial support. So yung holistic development talaga ng mga young boxers natin.
Under the 5-year collaboration, Telescoop will commit to provide 500,000 a year to cover the priorities of the athletes. However, ABA president said it is just the initial amount as it may increase in the following years depending on the needs of the athletes.
So they're actually giving 500,000 a year, and that's for 5 years. No, ang kinomit nila. May mga needs pa na kailangan ma-support, then they will be willing pa to add to that. No, so sa ngayon, there will be additional living allowance for those identified boxers, yung kanilang mga equipment, yung kanilang mga training needs. So yon, mako-cover nito. And then at the same time, yun nga, yung education component rin.
Telescoop also added their plans to hopefully form during the first year of their partnership.
For the first year, kailangan muna makapag-form kami at least five amateur boxers to support on their augment yung financial or allowances nila. At the same time, yung mga training needs na kakailanganin nila.
Other than career, both companies also intend to build the education foundation of athletes, echoing the significance of it to youth. For them, sports and school should be both prioritized by their athletes.
Nabanggit namin din sa Telescoop na that's also part of our program sa grassroots level na and even actually sa national team, no, na pag under ka ng ABAP, nasa training pool ka ng ABAP, dapat nag-aaral ka.
Ang intention is not only to support them with their financial assistance, but also as to augment on their value formation. We're not only making them champions in the sports of boxing, but also making them champion in life.